everyone, welcome to my channel DigiPits, where I help take your personal and professional skills to the next level. In today's video, I'm going to share my personal opinion on why I think building your skills is more important than having multiple degrees after a certain point in time. By no way am I saying that degrees are irrelevant and that you should not have it, but we'll deep dive into why we think that acquiring skills is more important than acquiring multiple degrees. A lot of people and students in my life have asked me why haven't I done my master's degree, or rather have assumed that I've done my master's because I'm a HR professional. Some of them have even consulted with me or asked me like if I think that they should go ahead and do their higher studies like a master's degree, or if they should stay back and do their corporate work jobs and build their work experience and also their professional skills. Before we get started with the topic, let me know in the comment section down below, what do you think is relevant in the day and age that we live in? Is it the degree that you possess or the skills that you've acquired over time? Our country is moving in the direction of development, and its speed can be achieved only through a combination of both skills and knowledge. Every year, millions of students graduate across different courses in the country, but still majority of them are unemployed. Despite a lot of initiatives being taken by the government for skill development, there still exists a large gap between the supply and demand. Because of this, a lot of students are expressing their frustration by way of this limiting their opportunities at different jobs. And also on the other hand, corporates are looking for only quality talent. Let's now talk about why your skills will overpower your degree in no time. Would a degree be sufficient to get into a good job? With the current need for skills and experience for a particular job requisition, degree requirements have taken a backseat. With changing times and startup culture, employers are now looking for a workforce that can handle complex situations. No longer does your degree guarantee you your dream job. You will need to have multiple skill sets that can meet the job criteria, and you also need to stand out in a crowd of multiple people applying to the same job with the same degree as you. Degree might just be there as a criteria certifying your education on paper, but this alone is not going to help you land in any kind of a job, in my opinion. Skills hold more value for your promotion and incentives as well. As you intend to climb up the corporate ladder, it's crucial that you start working on skills that are required for your job profile, which might help in adding more value to your work. Your incentives and your promotion at work as well is dependent on your on-the-job performance, which in turn is basically a combination of how you're applying your skills onto your job really well versus how many degrees that you actually have. In the fast-paced world that we live in, it's important for us to start developing our skills right before at your college time or even your school time as well, depending upon your interest level. There are several resources available on the internet that we can tap into and learn at our own pace whenever we can. There are several certification courses that can definitely add a lot more value to your resume. This is definitely going to make your profile stand out in terms of everybody else out there. Degrees don't prove that you have skills. So the problem with college degrees is that it does not prove that you have skills. It just proves that you went to college and graduated. Thus, you have some knowledge but not all the skills required for the job. Because having skills are important for your work performance, your personal growth and career growth, a lot of employers are now changing the way they hire right now. Hiring process that was dependent on your degrees is slowly disappearing, and skills-based hiring is taking more relevancy. Now let's talk about how you can acquire skills while you're studying in college side by side. First thing, you can take up internships in the area of your interest or your college major. Internships are a great opportunity to start earning and also get real hands-on industry experience. You get to work on real life problems and work in a team setup and collaborate with a lot of folks in the industry and learn a thing or two from them. The second thing is to run a side hustle along the way. You'll get to learn a lot of skills while you're running that side hustle, and you'll also be able to earn some pocket money along the way. The third thing is to do some volunteer work. It can add some great value to your resume and you can learn a lot through this whole experience, honestly. The most successful people admit that having a college degree is not the absolute important thing to do. It's not even worth it falling into such a huge debt and going after those degrees one after the other. Another reason why it's not good enough to even study at the best colleges out there is because these courses don't give you any kind of practical experience. All that they teach you is more on the theoretical front and very little practical exposure into real life things, which can help you develop those vital skills that are required for you to get into a job. Consider successful people such as Bill Gates and Steve Jobs. They amassed a fortune and yet have or had no college degree whatsoever. So, what made them so successful in life? Well, the truth is that you don't need a college degree for it. All you need is the right skills, passion for it, a big plan, and being ambitious. Remember, your goal is to not fill your CV with the degrees you've managed to get, but the skills you've managed to acquire. Most of the employers look at the skills section versus the education section. So make sure it's not empty. If you think that you don't possess any kind of skills, then I'd highly recommend that you brainstorm a little bit, because all of us have different kinds of skills within us which we have no clue about. Things like communication skills, presentation skills, teamwork, collaboration are all soft skills, and there are many other technical skills as well which you might be aware of and you can add in your resume. So make your resume stand out and don't lose hope. In conclusion, I feel that you need to have a basic undergrad degree in conjunction to the required skills. This is the optimal solution and the right mixture to ultimately grow. I personally believe in this and have followed this route as well. Even though I did not develop my skills during my college time, but I made up for most of it during my work experience and learned a lot of skills on the way and landed a great opportunity right now, which I'm really happy about. So I definitely recommend this to you as well. This is one of the major reasons why I'm creating a lot of content on this channel around your personal growth and your professional growth as well, on how I feel that building your skills is very, very vital and important in the day and era that we live in. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching the entire video. I hope you found this topic really, really interesting. Do let me know your thoughts as well in the comment section down below and I'll be happy to reply to them. I'll link a couple of more videos on the screen for you to watch. If you liked this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much once again. Have a good day. Bye. Thank you.